What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making pumpkin crisp. This dish is perfect for fall. I like to eat it for breakfast or for dessert. So easy to make. Let's go ahead and get started. For your filling, you're gonna need 3 eggs, along with 1/2 cup of sweetener. And then I like to add in a 1/4 cup of golden brown sweetener. I'm using monk fruit here. It's 0 calories, 0 carbs, great flavor, no aftertaste. And so then you're gonna wanna give all of that a nice good stir. And then add in a 15-ounce can of pureed pumpkin. Then 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I like to use full fat, but you can also use reduced fat. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And give all of that a nice good stir. Then set that aside so that you can make your topping. I use 1 cup of rolled oats, or you can also use a cup of low-carb granola, along with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of chopped optional pecans, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Go ahead and give that a good stir. Then you're going to take an 8x8 baking dish and add your filling to the bottom of that dish. And then sprinkle on your topping and spread that throughout. And then you're going to bake that in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. There you have it. I like to serve this with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream.